High School 17 family and RCSD as well. Here's a quick tutorial. If you are getting slides or any kind of information and you want to be able to type on them and there is nowhere to click and type. So essentially, I will show you how to fix it if you post something, your teacher posts something, or if you're just stuck and you're like, I really want to do this work and don't know how, here's the video for you. So for example, I just pulled up an old assignment I gave last year, which could be perfectly fine now, and I will link also. Say it says bye and there's a line, but right now, if I click, I cannot type there. So I have a few options, but the easiest one is to go to Insert and Text Box. So pretty much every program has this option, whether it's Google Docs, Google Slides, you can always put a text box. So go Insert Text Box, and you'll see there's this little plus sign. You use that to draw your box. And even if you don't like the size of your box the first time, you can then move it around and make it bigger or smaller. And then when you click in your box, you should be able to type. So my name is Mrs. Beckrow. I'm going to type that in. Uh-oh, that's really tiny. What if my teacher can't see that? So just like normal text, you can highlight it, go up to the number and make it bigger. In this case, I'll make it very large. And I happen to want to make it blue so it's easy to see. So there we are. So now this journal is by Mrs. Zackrell because I went to Insert Text Box and put one in. On this next slide, it says you're living through history right now. It says take a photo, draw in the journal, draw a picture, etc. So in this case, you have a couple choices. If you literally want to doodle on this slide, you go to Insert. You want some lines, but you want to be just able to scribble along. So there I could draw some water. The catch with the scribble tool is once you finish it once, you have to go back up and insert, line, and scribble again. So let me add some more waves to my random water. Once you've scribbled once, you'll notice that there is a nice little scribble tool that pops up. Okay, so you can just click on scribble again, and sometimes you need to click it twice, and you can then put your next scribble in. Once that scribble is done, you can always change its color by going to a little color and switching it up. But it doesn't change much with a scribble. If you have paper and pencil and crayons at home, you can draw a picture on a piece of paper, and your option would be to insert image, and then you can just take a picture of your drawing. So you go to camera, and voila! So say I did not draw this, but I am going to use it because it's a good example. Here's the cover of my book. Maybe it's a photo that's on my fridge and I took it off. So I'm going to hold it up. I'm going to click the camera button. Ta-da! And you'll see the little picture comes up on the side. I don't know if I love that, so I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to go like this. Take it one more time with me behind the book. Okay, I like that one, so I'm going to click on that one, and I want to insert it. Ta-da! There's my photo. So again, you can scribble, you can take a photo. Or if it just says find an image that's your whatever the case may be, you can always go to insert image and search the web. So over here, you can type in wave. That's what I drew a picture of. And again, you click on it, go to insert. Ta-da! And again, if you don't like the size of that picture, just grab its corner and make it smaller. So maybe I'll put both, one that I found and something that I drew, plus my computer scribble. Last but not least, just to review one more time, say you have all these lines to fill out. Holy cannoli, they want to know all about me and all my favorites. So first I'm going to blow it up so you can see it easier. So look, nowhere to type, pickles. So let me go to insert, text box, draw that little box, and I'll put my favorite toy. I don't know. I'm going to go with board games. Quite a toy, but I love my board games. Again, I want my next word. Oh, look, the little tool came up right here where my finger is pointing, so I don't have to go to insert. Click that key, make a box, and then I'm going to type in my favorite color, yellow, and blue. And if you want to change, like say I want the word blue to be blue, I come up to this nice little shortcut. say I want to highlight the word yellow because you can't see yellow very well on the screen, at least I can't. So there we are. And I want the yellow to have a fun font, so I'll go like so. If you see something and you click on it, like this question mark, ooh, looks like this one actually has a spot for me to put it. So instead, I will just erase the question mark, and I am 16 years old. That's a lot. But I'm going to put 16 on there just as my motto. I am 9 years old. I am 53 years old. Ooh, 53, that went in 2 lines. Don't forget, you can always make your box a different size by stretching it on the side, and now it fits in the circle better. Again, so these are some tools to help you if you get to a point and you want more to put information or type, or maybe you erased that by accident. Oh no, it's all gone. So again, insert text box, or that nice little shortcut, the T with the box around it, and you can fix your problem. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your teachers, call the 17 office, or you can reach out to me by my email. Bye 17.